Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. China's foreign ministry on Thursday said that amid the increasingly tense standoff between the two countries over the Doklam region, India has been building up troops and repairing roads along its side of the border. China said that it has already been more than a month since the incident, and India is not only illegally remaining on Chinese territory, but it is also repairing roads in the rear, stocking up supplies, massing a large number of armed personnel. In a separate statement, China's defense ministry said that China had shown goodwill and its forces had exercised immense restraint, but it warned that restraint has a bottom line and that India must not have any illusions. No country should underestimate the Chinese military's confidence and the ability to fulfill its mission of safeguarding peace, and should not underestimate the Chinese military's determination and will to defend the country's sovereignty, security, and development interest. China's defense ministry said that despite China's numerous diplomatic representations, India has been making unreasonable demands and is not sincere about a resolution. If India really wants peace, it ought to immediately withdraw its personnel who have illegally crossed the border and entered into China's territory. Chinese state media has warned India of a fate worse than the defeat it suffered in a brief border war in 1962. On Friday, the official China Daily said in an editorial that China was not in the mood for a fight, noting how the standoff has been unusually restrained. However, the English Daily added that if good manners do not work in the end, it may be necessary for them to rethink their approach. Sometimes a head-on blow may work better than 1,000 pleas in waking up a dreamer, the English Daily added. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.